today, and of course I left kind of everything to the last minute. It's after midday already, and I've got like maybe a 2.5 hour drive ahead of me, and I need petrol. So I'm gonna get petrol and then finally hit the road and go snorkeling at a cool place, I think, maybe, and then camp for the night. Okay, concentrate though. And I'm going camping. I don't even know why I'm going camping, other than I booked it last year and I couldn't go, and rather than, I don't know, I'm just too much of a tight ass to kind of like let the $30 or whatever I paid for the booking just like lapse. So instead I've just paid $100 for a tank of fuel and snacks and a new saucepan to cook dinner with tonight, and I'm driving down 3 hours down the coast just to camp for the night, just because I decided to do this like 6 months ago. And it's finally actually happening. I don't know, I do this a lot where I kind of get an idea in my head and I can't let it go. And this happened last year too, when I watched a lot of van life YouTube videos and ended up deciding that it would be a really good idea to go book a van for a week and drive around a bit of New South Wales that I've never actually been. Yeah, anyway. So I just made it to the place. It's fucking chockers. I had to check in and stuff. My phone has been up on the dash and not coping with the heat because it's really hot today. So I'm gonna go find this place for a snorkel and then go set up my campsite. Whoa, my phone is like melting my hand. Ow. Change of plans. I'm going around to where I'm camping tonight instead, because that water was really grody and I want to go for a swim in not gross water, and I don't think there's going to be any good snorkeling because that was just, I don't know, I'd heard it was a good snorkeling spot, apparently not. Anyway, let's go around to where I'm going to sleep. It's so busy. Are you good? Check me out. Fill up car. It's just plants. Chill. Whew. Alright, I'm here. It is packed. I really need to wait, first of all. But second of all, I booked this trip because I have been feeling like I need some freedom and I need a bit of my own time. I know I just went to Canberra and did all that, but I don't know if this camping trip is going to be my idea of solitude. It's going to be probably a campsite full of photos, and yeah. Anyway, I guess I'm just going to have to find out. I'm going to go down and get set up. Hopefully it's not shit. I'd like to set up camp. Please? No? Please? I'm whispering because there are a lot of people here and I feel really awkward about it. I might rearrange the way my tent is orientated later. Right now though, I'm so hot, I'm going for a swim. Finally going to the beach. Check this out. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen anything more beautiful in my life. This is crazy. This is so amazing. Check this out. Wow. obviously having noodles, cup noodles for dinner. I'm a bit embarrassed, to be honest. So I'm coming up to the lookout to have dinner myself. It's amazing. Oh my god. Seriously, the best time. Except I didn't hook up my rock. So I look real spooky. I think there was a guy that was going to come up. But I'm scaring off all the people because I'm here. Well, that was a lovely, kind of sad dinner, just because I had this amazing sunset to look at. I'm gonna head back down to the campsite and just chill out, go to bed early, read my book. I didn't really bring any activities to do, but so far I'm having a really nice time. I might just switch off and see you guys in the morning. I wouldn't say that I slept particularly well, because I don't have a pillow. I'm sleeping on a picnic rack. But I'm having a good time anyway. I might make a coffee and then hit the road and go home, because it's no fun being in the windy in the tent. A bit different to yesterday. Wow. Thanks for watching.